I think a new car company cannot succeed. Massive barrier to entry for any new car company because you have no existing fleet. So the only way for a new car company to succeed is that does not have an existing fleet is to charge a lot more for your car than what others are paying, than competitors. And in order to charge a lot more and have people actually buy it, the product must be so compelling that people are willing to pay the premium above the alternative cars from the incumbent car makers. This is the only way. And I think without both electrification and autonomy, this does not succeed. So that is the only way to do it. You have to win on autonomy, and you have to win on electrification, and you have to make the product so compelling that that it is worth paying the premium relative to the incumbent competitors, or why it's very hard for them to succeed.